Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team, making the watch list video for Friday, September 29th. Take a couple minutes here just to recap some of these alerts. If you're new and haven't watched these videos yet, we do send out alerts to go with our watch list at night. They're not buy signals; they're just areas of potential breakout or breaking down on stocks in the daily. Where if you're looking to day trade them or enter a swing trade, you want to look out for these clear breakout areas. Sometimes some of them go up a couple cents, come back down, then sometimes some of these go up 10, 20, 30 cents. But if you're doing day trading, it's all about scalping. And if you're looking to swing trade, then obviously you're going to look at the daily charts, 5-minute chart, hourly chart, and see if it's something you're going to potentially stay in longer. But it's all about support and resistance and looking for a key breakout and breakdown area. So if you look at ARLZ, I had a mark here for at or below 207. I don't know if I did that one right. Let me take a look here. ARLZ 207. I probably meant to put that one above. Let me see. Yeah, I meant to put that at or above 207. So I put it a little different. But it did trigger. But I was meant for it to break this high of this daily candlestick here, and it went from 207. Excuse me. This one went all the way up to 235 today. So that would have been a nice breakout. Obviously, you could see this nice kind of cup position kind of forming throughout the morning. And when it broke the high of day here, right at 210 over here, you could have gotten in and rode it from basically 210 all the way up to 235. So that's a really nice move. That one really went up well today. Neon at or above 133. Let's take a look at that one. So this one, you will see a little bit crazy this morning. Went up right here. Once it broke here, went from 133 up to 142. Again, 9 cents. 9 cents is still 9 cents. If you had bought 1,000 shares, it's $90. Again, some of them will fire off better than the other. That's why it's important to watch them and have multiple charts set up and kind of watch these and just watch for breakouts and breakdowns. MRNS 598 at or above. MRNS at or above 598. This one, look at that, just only went up a tiny bit. Went to the pre-market highs of 599 and then just fell all the way down. So that was a little bit of a fake out. BLPH at or above 130. And that one right here, ones that broke, 132. Could have rode up to 145. That's, 12 to 15 cent gain. That's really what you're looking for day trading. So these have all been pretty good. Fossil wasn't on the watch list. That was one from this morning. At or above, or maybe that was last night. Yeah, it was. I did have that on. At or above 967. And that one went all the way up to right here, 982. 967.82. That's 15-cent move. Market closed. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to make this video kind of quickly tonight to make sure you guys do get one. So I'm going to cut this one a little bit short tonight and kind of brush through it. But I figured I'd start by showing you some of the recaps for the day. And as you can see, these alerts are working. Make sure you watch these every day because they are definitely firing off every single day, at least a handful of them. So we're doing stocks between $1 and $10, minimum 500,000 shares with a 5% gain on the day. I put a maximum of 100 million shares outstanding. That's somewhat like float. Anything above that tends to move like a snail. So let's get to it here. AMMA. This one went up and then has pulled back. Obviously, if this one's going to keep continuing, you want to see it break 307. This one's kind of heading downwards as of right now, so it's not really holding its highs for the day. Doesn't mean it can't go up, but if it does go up further, you want to see it break 307. So not going to put that one on the watch list. Although these ones have been running a lot lately. I've been noticing ones that are like really going up and pulling back have been getting some multi-day runners because the market's been going up a lot. So I am actually going to put that one back on there, AMMA, and I want to see it break above 307 to potentially go further. So this one, again, you want to close above. Psychological resistance points are, in support areas are whole and half dollar amounts, especially whole dollars. You'll see it pull back below 3. So if this one breaks and goes above $3 and goes above 307, that one might be a continuation. Got to watch out for it. Plus, it is a low floor. So AMMA, we will put on the watches just for it to break above 307. Let's take a look at, hold on here, I'm just putting them onto my watch list on my other screen. This is what I mean by putting, watching these and having like a multiple chart setup. I'll explain these arrows a different time. This is an experiment I'm doing with Thinkorswim, but I have a multiple chart setup over here. So I watch them form patterns and then take trades based upon that. But so when I do the watch list, I enter them in over here. I look at the marks here and then watch for closes above that mark, watch the patterns form, and then base my trades based upon that. So this is what I mean having a multi-chart setup. So again, I'm kind of going a little quicker on this watch list tonight because I got to run. But again, I'll explain some of the other stuff later. OMNT, definitely going to put that one on the watch list. Want to see that one break. I'm going to keep it really at $6. Right around 601. I want to see it break, or what is that here? Well, that's $5.95. I'm actually going to put that and just move it to $6 since it's so close to that whole dollar amount. So I want to see it break. Yeah, just keep it at 60. Put it at 602, and I'll put a alert at $6. So I want to see it break. I'm going to put it right there, $5.98. OMNT, that one is a nice potential breakout. If it breaks $6, then $6 will become the new support area. But this one has a nice potential breakout coming. See if it breaks again over $6 and holds. So that would be OMNT. Zyne, ZYNE. And that was, I knew it this morning. This thing was going to go crazy up in the gap. This one's just crazy up there in the gap. It's just, you'll see a nice head and shoulders pattern was forming pre-market, and then it just kind of went down for the day, but it's still up in the gap. Super crazy. This is one that you could play, but it's super volatile and very risky. Right dead center in the gap. But I'm not going to put on the watch list. AEMD. Don't love the pattern. It is a low floater. Breaking the high a day. I want to see it get over these EMAs. There is that $2 marker. Potentially reversing around. It's too close to that $2, but it could move up pretty quickly as well. So AEMD, I will put one. I'll put a. Let me see. I want to move it to maybe like maybe 177. I'd be careful around $2 right there to see for resistance. But I'll put a alert around 177. AEMD. CATB. Yep. That one will go on at or above. Sometimes it's hard to put there. There it goes. 225. Put an alert at or above 225. Be careful resistance around probably 250. But I'd be careful more of this gap area here. See if it goes up towards there. So see if it goes up and breaks the gap or falls back down. So CATB. Definitely one to watch. ARDM. That one just spiked really right at the end of the day. Let me see what's going on over here. Still hasn't filled this gap yet. See if it could break 420. It pulled back right around that $4 mark. I want to see it break. What is it up here? I want to see it hold above $4. So I think I'd put an alert at $4. Let me see if I can move it to 4. There we go. I want to see it break $4 and then see if it goes and breaks above here and goes up into the gap. Can be very volatile. It is a low floater. Did get this push right at the end of the day, so it's definitely one to watch. ARDM. SKYS. Nope. AQMF. Nope. VKTX. Possibly here. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's holding up. Man, this could be a nice short at some point. Multi-day runner. I'm going to take a look here. See VKTX. Yeah, potentially. I'm also going to do this for you guys again. I've been showing you guys this with DOS. I want to make sure the ones I put on the watch list are not 5-cent movers. So the VKTX could potentially move up more if it breaks 183. It's a yearly high. I'll put that one on, VKTX. Sorry, I have an itch here. Let me take a look at these. AMMA. Just want to make sure that they're not 5-cent movers. Nope. CATB. Nope. This is DOS. I'll do more videos on this down the road for you guys. I'm just checking right here. OMNT. I want to make sure that they're not any 5-cent spread stocks because I don't like them. And so far I don't see any. I'll show you one if I see one. So VKTX, yep, that will go on. PME. So, wow, that one is a really, look at that. Huge, huge, huge. Could potentially go up. I want to see it break above 327. There's lots of overhead resistance. I'm not going to put it on. TUES. Filled the gap. So the gap was filled. Came back down right below $3. Don't love it. PIRS. Right below $6. So put it at 601, see if there's a break of 601. Careful at 620, which is the yearly high. Put it there. Put an alert around $6 at or above 6. Again, whole and $half amounts, huge psychological support and resistance points. But PIRS. RMTI. I'm going to see it break 963. If it does, careful around $9. Right around 898.99. Put it right there. So we'll put an alert at or above 863 for a potential breakout. So that could be a nice potential breakout area. Nice cup. Could be a cup and handle and fall back down. It is very overextended, so see if it breaks above. If not, it might be a nice short down. So RMTI. CRNT. No. Let me just double check over here. RMTI. Okay. Take a look at PIRS. PIRS. Sorry, guys, I'm a little tired today. I'm trying to do a whole bunch of stuff here today. So I'm a little tired, kind of out of it. But I wanted to make sure I got this done for you guys today. BLPH, nope. WPCS, definitely not. That's crazy. Here's an example of one that I bet you might be a 5-cent mover. Let's take a look here. WPCS. And I guess not. No, it's not. It's just a garbage-looking stock. NLNK. No. No. I mean, it could. It's got to break that 10. I don't love it. ARWR. Has that filled the gap yet? Man, that's almost filled the gap. Right about that 438 marker. There is still more of a gap above. I don't feel like putting that one on. Could, but I don't like it. APPS. I'm wondering if this is a 5-cent mover. Let me see. APPS. Nope. I don't know if I'm just tired not seeing things clearly right now, but I don't love it. CTSO. Nope. KNDI. Let's take a look at this one. I think this one might be. Yeah, this is a 5-cent mover right here. 5-cent increments. So you'll see with these these candlesticks that look almost like too perfectly like kind of like symmetrical or kind of like those. I can't stand those. That's a sign of a 5-cent mover. ARLZ. Nope. Let's take a look at some of the ones that may have had some of the highs of the day. If I want any of these. IWSI. That might be one. That's a 5-cent mover too. No. All right. Kind of a high floater. 3 green days. It might be a pullback. I don't love it. CBay. Nope. TRST. Let's take a look at this one. This one looks a little fishy. TRST. Yep, that one's a 5-cent mover. Price is 5-cent increments. As you can see, it's these crazy candlesticks that are just like that. So not that one. Crocs, KROX. Look at that, right at the yearly high. Almost broke out and then it broke down. That's basically a triple top. No. IGD, nope. Cyto, nope. MRNS, nope. We'll look at some yearly lows, possible dip buys. Nope. PKD, nope. That's a crazy one. VUZY, heck no. FTK, nope. ETRM, nope. ROSG, nope. Depot, nope. RAD, nope. And ANY. Man, that one's really been selling off. I don't love them. 3, 6, 7, 8. Let me go back and see if there was any of these that I would put on. 3, 6, 7, 8. What did the market do here today? It's close to yearly highs again. Some of these look good. Not totally in love with them, but again, that's enough to have 3, 6, 7, 8 on the watch list. Take a look at with trade ideas as well. Make sure you're watching our pre-market watch list. So basically, you don't want to have too many stocks you're watching because it could be super overwhelming. Again, out of these 8 stocks, 3 or 4 might move, and 1 or 2 might be really good movers. But obviously, you don't want to be trading a ton during the day anyway. So, so you want to take the watch list that we do here at night, and then look at the trade ideas movers. Again, if you haven't liked our fan page yet, head over to Facebook, type in Bullish Bears, and come down to our fan page and make sure you like and follow our fan page. You'll get our updates daily, as well as get our trade ideas and Benzinga movers in the morning. Again, if you want to pick up these tools from us, we do get you a 15% discount off of Trade Ideas, which is our live scanner of choice, and Benzinga, which is our live news site that we absolutely love too. We get you a 25% discount there. So make sure you like and follow our fan page. Head over to bullishbears.com and subscribe to our email watch list that we send out every night, as well as follow us over here on all of our social media links. You can join our trade room here. We have a free trade room with over 500 members. Give us a few days to approve you in there because we get overwhelming amounts of requests in there. So it takes us a few days to basically get everybody approved. So if you haven't joined us yet, make sure you join us here. If you need more training, we have our training courses here. We have a couple $1,000s worth of free trading courses, so make sure you take advantage. As well as, again, we are a donation-based community. We cannot survive on the model that we're going on without everybody's financial donations monthly. Again, we'd love for everybody to donate a lot, but we're just really looking for everybody to donate a little. If everybody donates a little, we can continue with doing what we're doing without charging membership fees. Basically, if you're on a budget and you don't have much, we have donation options for as low as $10 to $25 monthly. You can just donate right over here. Again, a lot of people say, well, I don't have money to join. I'll pay you guys when I get money. Well, unfortunately, most people don't teach what we're giving away for free. So we are giving it away for free without charging $100 to $150 a month. So again, it's kind of a trade-off. We're not charging you it now. So if people all donated $10 or $25 a month, then we won't charge down the road for membership fees. But if people don't, contribute now and we don't get enough donations, then eventually we'll charge like, any other company does. But we don't want to go that route. So a lot of people think, again, that we get a lot of donations, but out of 15,000 members, we don't. And that's the sad part, because we do give so much content, we give so much back, and we want to continue this model to keep it going. And we notice, again, a lot of you will notice once in a while when we don't post a watch list or a video, you guys are asking where it is. And the reason for that is it's very valuable. What we're giving in these watch list videos and the alerts is a very valuable service that we could charge at least $100, if not more, a month for, between that and all of our courses and our community, but we're not doing that. So again, guys, we just need everybody to contribute at least a little. If you like what we have and we're offering every month and giving to you guys on a daily basis, just donate $10 a month to us. That's a cost of 1 trade per month if you really break it down. So again, if everybody donates a little bit, we can keep this movement going, but we cannot keep this business model going without everybody's contributions. We really can't do that because we are giving so much away. So if you see value, please donate right under our contribute link. And pretty much last but not least, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is growing like crazy. Click the notification bell, like our videos, comment on them, share them. Again, we do our best to give you guys lots of content. So hopefully this video helped you guys. Again, sorry it's cut short today, but I wanted to make sure you guys had something for tomorrow, and hopefully this helps you. Enjoy.